Okay, we are here at the Manteca Unified School District Student Symposium, and I'm speaking with a student. What's your name?
Alicia Wallace.
And what grade are you in?
7th grade at Monster Elementary School.
And how old are you?
11 now.
And what did you think about tonight's symposium?
I thought it was good because it attracted a lot of parents and it got the attention of a lot of parents and students like me and my friends and stuff, because it told the pastor and the superintendent, they let us know that even if someone says you can't succeed, you can do anything you want to do. You just have to work towards it, because anyone can do anything in the world. They have to put all their effort into it.
Okay, and what do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a lawyer.
And what are you going to do to become a lawyer?
I'm going to study at law school, like start off small and get bigger and bigger and get my degree and become a famous lawyer.
Okay, and what college will you be attending?
I want to go to Yale and New York University.
Oh, that's great. Well, thank you, Alicia, for your interview. We'll see you next time.